Well, her attempt to go up the big hill did not.
Wait, I need to go. Like, I need to go from somewhere. Not on it right away. Did you adjust this?
No. Oh. She made it up the hill. Okay, well, I got this little guy. She doesn't like this little old guy, but this little guy's a work beast. With the off-road tire, pushing my fat ass right up the hill, baby. No problem. You know, using one of these little wheels to ride these dirt trails is like a little roller coaster.
Okay.